It's a chilly December morning. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am sharing recipe for one pot microwave pizza and few glimpses of my life as mom of three, alhamdulillah. I started the new year on a very pleasant and calm note, surrounding myself with nature. I have already mentioned I love going to walk in the nature. Spending some time amongst God's beautiful creations helps me to be more grateful and positive. I feel I can focus more on my work if I am calm and positive. This is Touch Me Not plant. My youngest daughter was so thrilled touching it. It reminded me of my childhood. Alhamdulillah, it was a beautiful morning spent with my daughters. At home, most of my time is spent in the kitchen, cleaning and cooking. I'm not complaining, alhamdulillah for it. Whenever I feel stressed, I try looking at things from different perspective, from different point of view. Like rather than complaining, we can be thankful of all the blessings we have. Even safe drinking water, it is such a big blessing. Positive attitude is the most important thing I tell you when it comes to managing stress. Proven and recommended. Here I am tidying up the kitchen after breakfast, keeping the leftover bone broth in the fridge. My kids prefer having their milk. After 15 to 20 minutes they finish their breakfast. So here I am boiling the milk. I try not to overstress myself, and looking at a very dirty kitchen is very stressful as someone with OCD. So I try to clean then and there after cooking. Just finish off everything with a wipe so kitchen can always be clean. I try not to wait for things to get piled up. Clean as you go is the mantra for sanity for me. I enjoy the mid-morning break with tea. I don't drink milk tea. I prefer black tea along with ginger. I love to have this especially in this winter. It is soothing as well as refreshing. Kids have their milk while studying and doing their homework, and I have my black tea along with them. I just watch over them while they are doing their homework, and if they have any doubts, I try to clear it. If I feel like, I'll have a piece of dark chocolate as a treat for me. So today for snacks I am preparing easy microwave pizza. For this I am taking 1 cup of maida, that is 250 grams of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil and 250 ml of full fat milk. Now we are going to mix all of these ingredients into a smooth dough. It should be a little sticky and smooth dough. Now this is perfect. I have already mentioned how much I love Fun Foods pizza and pasta sauce. This is a multi-purpose sauce and a must-have in a kitchen. I am going to add 3 tablespoons of this sauce on top of the dough and spread it nicely. The next step, we are going to add vegetables. I had onion and capsicum in my house, so I am going to add it. You can add any vegetable of your choice on top of it. The next step, you're going to add cheese. Processed cheese here, I'm adding grated processed cheese. You can add any cheese of your choice. Add lots of it, so it's going to be very tasty. Now all we have to do is microwave it for 3 minutes. So it just took me a couple of minutes, and ingredients which were already in my house. And it turned out so yummy and so tasty. I'm topping it with oregano flakes. Like I told you, it is the easiest, yummiest and quickest way for a snack. If you have kids, then do make this. They will love it. Please do try this, and if you have any feedback and any comments regarding this recipe, do share it in the comment section. So the next morning, it's Friday. I'm tidying up the house and changing the bed sheets. So I try to change all of the bed sheets throughout the house on Friday. I'm using an air freshener and I'm going to sprinkle it on the bed headboard. So this adds a little bit of fragrance and positivity. Kids have changed their bed sheets. I don't expect their work to be perfect. I just try to appreciate their efforts. Now this cushion is very helpful if you have posture problem. This has helped me a lot. I will share the link of this cushion in my description box so you can check if you want to. Shiku also approves of a clean bedsheet, and even she prefers to lie on clean bedsheet on Fridays. I want my kids to help in household work as it builds responsibility and managing capability. So today I'm cleaning and organizing this TV station. So this is a TV station plus entryway station. Funny story about this air freshener. Actually, this air freshener was used in our hotel during our stay in Kollam. I love the fragrance and I asked the housekeeping staff and I bought this for myself. I somehow like to relate nostalgia with fragrance. So I wanted this air freshener, and whenever I remember Kollam, I spray this air freshener throughout the house. Now in this box I'm keeping all the shoe polishing tools, and in this basket I'm keeping all the accessories that I used outdoor like sunglasses and hats. I try my own way of trying to live a very minimal and simplified life. So this is a foldable bag and it is easy to carry. So I store it here in the entryway station. So it's easy for us to grab this and go out while grocery shopping. And some other necessities like washed face masks are kept here in this box. All of these boxes are repurposed and recycled items. I don't spend a lot of money buying baskets and things like that. So in my TV station I don't have a lot of entertainment stuff, just sentimental value stuff, because most of our entertainment is through digital media. I don't see a point of storing these DVDs and VCDs. Since there was a lot of cleaning today, lot of organizing today, I kept breakfast to bare minimum. So we are just having dosa with leftover bone broth today for breakfast. So that's the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and also do share your feedbacks. If you like the video and if you think I deserve it, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Also press the bell icon and give this video a thumbs up if you want to. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.